It was so funny. I found a funniest video of all. You can watch every one, babe. You can't waste your time. See, I told you, honey. It was funny. I knew. I knew it was funny, baby. I mean, yeah, I'm alright, baby. I'm alright, honey. Can't stop thinking about that video that I just watched. It makes me so funny after all. Boyfriend, any new videos lately? Well, I have. It's that one video that is really, 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 really funny. It's something like an egg or something, or just making a patty, or just making anyone who's just making saying some sort of things like it's just like a something. I just don't know what I think of, but I still need to think about anything what I did to my videos of making you laugh. Ooh, good job, baby. I'm so proud of you. Okay, so what we I'm cooking.